In this video, we're going to teach you how to use this AI tool to find 1,000+ qualified leads in under 2 minutes. We're going to go over how you can find anyone's verified contact information from anywhere in the world with one single prompt. Welcome back to Seamless University. In today's lesson, we're going to go over how to use the feature, the natural language search, to instantly find decision makers by just typing in a single prompt. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly sales prospecting and AI automation training. And if you want to try Seamless completely for free, click the first link in the description below. Let's dive in.
Hi everyone, my name is Jake Phillips and I am Head of Product and Engineering at Seamless Platform. But a couple things I want to first highlight here on this page is we have our view filters. So if you want to go with a more standard kind of traditional advanced filter view, you can open up the filters, see the many different ways that you could execute a search by company, by titles. You can use intent-based search like job changes. We also have a full intent search as well if you want to search by companies and contacts that are actually showing intent for your product. We have a number of different ways, though, as you can see here, that you can search for contacts as well as companies. You can also search by companies specifically and then find contacts, but many of our customers are actually just going straight to contacts because you can search with both contact persona as well as firmographic information. So if you want to go with more of an advanced search, you can open up those filters. You can also click here to identify your recent searches. You can look at saved searches as well if you've saved a search and want to come back to that. But I'll go ahead and just go back to my main filters, and I'm going to put in a simple search here. So find me, let's say, marketing managers in Tennessee. I live in Tennessee, so we'll go ahead and find some of those. Misspelled marketing managers. You see that we did correct that for me, which was nice of us. So I have 8,000, about 8,200 marketing managers here in Tennessee. As I want to modify this, you can see we've already created the filters here. So let's say, I want to go ahead and marketing department. We have marketing manager as title, seniority. Let's go ahead and add a few more seniorities in here. So I'll go ahead and add manager, but we'll also put senior, director, and then if there's any VPs as well, we'll go there. So we'll run a search. That's roughly similar. So just, because marketing manager is a pretty consistent title. So we pretty much nailed it on that first one, but you can customize this any way you see fit here. You can include, you can also exclude as well by hovering over this and clicking exclude or utilizing the exclude option. Let's say I want to exclude entry level. I can do that. This probably won't make much of an impact. As you can see, we already had those filters pretty well engaged.
Now you know how to build highly targeted prospect leads in minutes. Next, watch this video and we're going to show you how Seamless finds and verifies emails and direct dials in real time so you're never working with outdated data. Subscribe and we'll see you in the next lesson.